Are you over 40 and finding that what used to work for your health just doesn't anymore? That salad-only diet? It leaves you exhausted. The long-distance running? It just seems to make your body hold on to weight, especially around the middle. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone, and you are not failing. Your body is simply changing. As we enter our 40s and 50s, our hormones shift. Estrogen declines, our stress hormone cortisol often goes up, and our bodies become more insulin resistant. This is a crucial scientific fact. It means our bodies are now programmed to store fat, particularly belly fat, more easily. But today, we're not going to fight our bodies. We're going to understand them and work with them. I'm giving you my 5-step blueprint to reignite your metabolism, balance your hormones, and build a stronger, more resilient body than you had in your 30s. Our first step is to tackle insulin resistance. Think of insulin as the key that unlocks your cells to let sugar in for energy. When you become insulin resistant, that key doesn't work well. The sugar is left in your bloodstream, and your body's response is to sound the alarm and store that excess sugar as fat. The fastest way to trigger this alarm? Eating processed carbohydrates and sugar. The solution? Prioritize protein and fat at every single meal. I'm not talking about just lean protein. I'm talking about nutrient-dense protein that comes with its own healthy fats. We're looking for wild-caught salmon. This is a powerhouse. It's not just protein, it's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are essential for fighting the inflammation that comes with hormonal change. If you like this, so far hit that subscribe button. Grass-fed beef. Don't be afraid of red meat. Be afraid of bad red meat. Grass-fed beef is rich in iron, B12, and CLA, a type of fat that can actually help reduce body fat. Pasture-raised eggs. The yolk is the most nutritious part. It's packed with choline, which is critical for brain health and your liver. Your goal is 25-30 grams of protein at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This strategy keeps you full, stabilizes your blood sugar, and tells your body it's safe to burn fat for fuel, not store it. Now, what do we eat with that protein? This is where we get strategic. For women over 40, not all vegetables are created equal. We need to focus on 2 key families. First, cruciferous vegetables. These are your hormone balancers. I'm talking about arugula, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables contain a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which supports your liver's detoxification pathways. This is critical because your liver has to process and clear out old estrogen. If it can't, you get estrogen dominance, which can worsen symptoms like PMS and belly fat. Second, fermented foods. This is a non-negotiable. One of the healthiest foods on the planet is sauerkraut. Why? Because your gut is where your hormones, like serotonin, and your immune system are regulated. A healthy gut is non-negotiable. Sauerkraut is a prebiotic and a probiotic. It feeds your good microbes and provides high levels of vitamin C. But most importantly, it's packed with L-glutamine, which helps repair your gut lining. My advice is simple. Add a big handful of arugula to your meal and a forkful of sauerkraut on the side. You are now actively helping your body balance its own hormones. For years, we were told to do an hour of cardio to burn calories. This is some of the worst advice for women over 40. Here's why. Long, chronic cardio, like a 60-minute jog, can spike your stress hormone, cortisol, and keep it high. When cortisol is high, your body will not burn fat. In fact, chronic cortisol is a direct signal to your body to store fat right around your belly. It's a survival mechanism, so we swap it for smarter exercise. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. This is 15 to 20 minutes max. Short bursts of all-out effort, like sprints or fast body weight squats, for 30 seconds, followed by 60 seconds of rest. This spikes your human growth hormone, HGH, which is great for anti-aging and fat burning, and improves your insulin sensitivity without the chronic cortisol spike. LISS, Low Intensity Steady State. This is just a 45-minute brisk walk. It's a fantastic, low-impact fat-burning and stress-reducing activity. And it's weight-bearing, which brings me to our most important point. If you do only one thing from this video, make it this. You must do strength training. After age 40, we can lose 3 to 8% of our muscle mass per decade if we do nothing. This is a disaster for our metabolism. Muscle is your metabolic engine. It is the most metabolically active tissue in your body. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn 24/7, even just sitting here. When you lose muscle, your metabolism grinds to a halt. This is not about getting bulky. This is about survival. You must send your body a signal to build, or at least keep, this precious muscle. That signal is resistance training. Two or 3 times a week, you need to lift things. This can be your own body weight, squats, push-ups, lunges, or it can be dumbbells. But here is the incredible bonus. When you do this, you are also saving your bones. Weight-bearing exercise is the only way to signal to your body to build new bone density. As the muscle pulls on the bone, it stresses it, and the bone responds by getting stronger. This is your #1 defense against osteoporosis. My final step is the glue that holds this all together. Manage your stress. I mentioned cortisol. It is the enemy of the woman over 40. If you are stressed out, sleeping poorly, and running on coffee, your body will be in a constant state of fight or flight, and it will not lose weight. Your new health plan must include 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. It must include 5 minutes of quiet. You can meditate, you can do deep breathing, you can just sit in your car and be silent. This actively lowers cortisol and stops the fat storage signal. So let's recap the 5-step blueprint. Master insulin. Prioritize protein and healthy fat at every meal. Balance hormones. Eat cruciferous veggies and sauerkraut. Do smart cardio. Swap long jogs for short HIIT sessions or walking. Build your engine. Lift weights 2 to 3 times a week to build muscle and bone. Manage stress. Prioritize sleep and stillness. This is how you work with your body. Start with one thing. Add a forkful of sauerkraut to your lunch. Go for a 20-minute walk. You can do this. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about the best way to lose weight, watch the video in the description area. Watch this next video, and don't forget to subscribe.